Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. The weekend comes, my cycle hums, ready to race to you. These days are all happy and free. These days are all, share them with me. Goodbye gray sky, hello blue. There's nothing can hold me when I hold you. It feels so right, it can't be wrong. Rockin' and rollin' all week long. These days are all happy and free. These days are all, share them with me. Gonna cruise her around the town, show everybody what I found. Rock and roll with all my friends, hoping the music never ends.
Welcome to Season 18 of Ram News. What is your guys' favorite cereal?
Golden Grams.
Fruity Pebbles. What is your favorite cereal?
I have to go with Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Fruit Loops. My favorite cereal is Captain Crunch.
Mine is Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Fruity Pebbles.
What is your guys' favorite cereal? Crave.
Strawberry milkshake Frosted Flakes.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Honey Bunches of Oats.
So ISASP testing is next week, beginning on Tuesday. So we'll do the reading test on Tuesday, the math test on Wednesday, and the language and writing test on Thursday. So students will report here normal time at 8:15 for us to get started. So the ISASPs help us know how we are doing as a school and help us to know, what students actually know. So it's really important to give your best effort. And I think the best way to improve is just to take your time and really try with your questions so that we know if there's things that we need to do better as staff, if there's any things that we need to reach. So.
On to the incentives. It's almost like a thank you. I know that those tests they can get boring and they can make your head hurt because they're high stakes testing, and sometimes people get anxiety over it. So as a thank you, I've got a whole bunch of incentives like we did last year. If you are proficient, if you grow in your state assessment, or if you're in the 90th percentile, you're gonna get a slip basically for each one that you're successful on, or you're proficient, or you're in the 90th percentile. So in math, reading, and science. And we'll do an assembly like we did last year, and the more chances that you have, the better chance you have to win. So you want to do as well as you can on each test. Ram News Part 2 with state assessments. I'd like to thank Performance Nutrition. My good friend Mark Wahlberg donated 12 containers of this whey protein. And on this table there's a whole bunch of stuff. We have a lot of teachers that are excited about testing, so they take it seriously. And when you're taking the test, think about those teachers that have helped you along your way in high school. That could be one motivation thing that you have. So think about that person that's really helped you in the high school when you take those tests that can be a little bit long and they make your head hurt. But think about that teacher as you take the test and say, I'm going to do it for them.
To start, would you like to tell us more about the Landis mural project that you took your students on?
Yes, Veronica. I took a group of 12 students to Landis, the Innovation Center in downtown Des Moines last Friday before our spring break. And we spent about 4 hours drawing on a 60-foot by 10-foot mural. The students worked collaboratively with the Des Moines Public School students, and the mural really turned out fantastic.
My favorite part was probably drawing. It was pretty fun. And then afterwards, we went to Starbucks and Target, and that was pretty fun. I think overall the drawings from our school looked really good, and we all did a great job in a little amount of time.
The mural we did at Landis was in downtown Des Moines, and it took us about 4 hours to do. We got there late because there was a late start, and the other school started before us, but that kind of helped because they got to do all the outlines and taped it off for us, which was really nice. My favorite part was probably just getting to work with everyone and having a break from school to just do something fun.
I think I'm Student of the Month quality because I feel like I always put on a good attitude and wear a smile, and I'm always keeping the room high energy and keeping everything pretty loose in the room. So I enjoy just making people laugh and keeping things in situations light. I really think I've gone above and beyond by just kind of being myself, and you know, I'm a little weirder. I like to think so, but just, you know, trying to make people laugh every day, and yeah, I like to go above and beyond in that way.
I am really excited that Jack was Student of the Month for February because he's just a really good kid, and he's fun to have in class, and he always does his best work, and he's just a fun kid to have around, so I think he deserved to be Student of the Month.
I'm always willing to help out, and I do things very efficiently, and I think I'm a pretty kind person. I've gone above and beyond by helping a bunch of teachers when they need it, and I am very reliable. I will be there every day.
Emma deserves to be Student of the Month because she is very selfless and she always helps us in the office. A lot of days Emma didn't even have to be here in the morning, so instead of wasting her time, she was spending it doing her homework, and then when she didn't have that to do, she would help us with tasks in the office, which it gets really busy in the morning, and we appreciate having her help.
My favorite part of track so far has been getting to know all my new teammates and all of our team bonding. One goal I have for this season is to get faster at hurdles.
I think we had a really good start to the season with our indoor track meets at UNI and BV. Our relays, we were able to see improvement just between the two meets, so that is really good, and we got some of the younger girls there too to get some more experience, and it went really well, and I'm excited for the outdoor season. My favorite events are long jump and the open 200.
My favorite part of track is competing with the guys and seeing each other improve on our personal records and just overall have fun. My goal for the season is to continue to improve and compete, just get better, get faster and stronger.
I think regular indoor season went well. We all cheered on our teammates. We had some good times. We were in school record a couple times. It was a fun experience. My favorite event to do is the 100 and 200 because it's short distance, and anything past that's too long.
This is Miss Carmen, and we're gonna ask her some questions and see if she's smarter than a 5th grader. What is the prefix in the word unnecessary?
Un-U-N.
Yeah. What are the 3 states of matter?
Ooh. Can I have a hint?
Okay, the first one starts with an S.
S. Solid, liquid, gas.
Yep.
Yes. Camera. Oh, yeah.
This is Jenna, and so I was wondering, do you know who painted the Mona Lisa?
Who it is? I can't think of it right now.
It starts with a L. Boom, boom, boom. Leonardo da Vinci. Next question. What is the prefix in the word unnecessary?
The prefix?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Do you know who gave the United States the Statue of Liberty?
I think it's England who did.
France. The 3 states of matter.
No, that one I don't.
Great job. Okay, this is Jack, and we were wondering, do you know who painted the Mona Lisa?
Da Vinci.
You said it wrong, but
Da Vinci.
Do you know the longest river in the United States?
The Nile.
That's in Egypt. You know the 3 states of matter?
Liquid, solid, gas.
Yep. Good job. This is Miss Buxton, and we were wondering, do you know who painted the Mona Lisa?
I have no idea. Multiple choice?
Monet or Da Vinci?
Da Vinci.
Yeah. Do you know the prefix in the word unnecessary?
Un?
Yeah. Who gifted the United States the Statue of Liberty?
France.
Yeah.
Yay!
Okay, good job.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.